Get it going.
So today's puck.
Bowman Draft Picks and Prospects 12 box case. Good luck. This is the first 12 boxes of a 22 box break overall. All prospecting.
Chad for a second pending deal.
Perfect. It's always wait till well beyond when. You gotta be kidding me right now.
Hey, Vegas puck. I actually wanted to ask you like a personal, not personal, but
That's personal questions.
not a personal question. Just a question.
Hammy has the Orioles. Alright, Hammy got Orioles. Let's do it.
Yeah, it has to be about hockey, of course. Jeez.
Like a sushi chef. You can't even say it. Sushi. That was quick. Well, that was like the tepan.
That's later. That's later. So I'll be here.
Good luck. Let's get this party started. Sure hope I didn't lose that case. See some color. Good luck kicks. Hunt for color and Astros. Everything else. Shirts anyway. I guess you can separate the chromes out.
Ah, shit, there's chrome in here too, huh?
Goodness, huh? It's chrome? Yeah, sure. There's only 2 packs. Oh, 2 packs.
I don't know.
Didn't miss anything.
We did jumping jacks, we did cartwheels. I think you missed pretty much the exciting part of the show.
We had another box sale team.
Yeah.
Cool cards. I'm just fucking bones out in these.
Some picks are straight and some picks are
Straight and white.
I'll figure it out. Who has the Dodgers here? Who has the Dodgers? Mora. Daniel has the Dodgers. Daniel, if you pull somebody I want. Just a basic autograph.
Got Blu-ray? See some Blu-ray.
Peeking already? Oh, man. You can't even hold on.
That one.
Can't even wait? Oh, look at that. Can't even wait.
That's not a refractor, though. Hey, sometimes I just happen to see them. I'm not peeking on purpose.
I haven't seen any of my cards.
Don't worry, you'll peek plenty when it comes time to really do it. See it all the time.
Well, it comes time to it then. Not now. When I flip over my stack and I start looking, then I won't peek who it is. I just look over.
Good luck, everybody. Bling, 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 bling. Got a black card. What's a black card? Oh, that's that thing. This one. That's what they're talking about.
Challenge.
We'll just we'll like distribute those evenly to everybody. You know what I mean? Prospect challenge. This is what you're asking about, right? The code cards. You guys are asking about these. We'll just give those out to everybody evenly.
Well, how many are there?
Maybe 1 or 2 a box. I don't know. You got these inserts right here. Garrett Parker, Andrew Heaney. Cool, great. There we go. First refractor, Jonathan Murphy.
Oh, another prospect code.
Twins.
Yay! Another prospect code. Let's see what I got. What do I got? What is this?
Orioles.
I got Josh Hamilton and Bryce Harper. Dual insert.
Will Hudgens for the Nationals refractor.
We got Kevin Brady for the Phillies refractor. Kevin Brady.
Come on, baby.
I got a blue paper of Michael Myers out of 500 for the Boston Red Sox. Michael Myers.
Derek Self for the Nationals.
Oh, Bryce Harper rookie. Got blue. Let's see what this blue is.
I got a blue paper Austin Schatz for the Detroit Tigers. Blue paper's out of 500 if you didn't know.
Mitch Geller for the Phillies. Look at that face. Look at that face.
Oh yeah. That's me. I got a color card. Yeah.
250. Woo.
Nice. Chris Cowell. Refractor Rockies.
Lisa Zuninos.
There's a Harper Chrome. Cool. Got a cracked ice card. Willen Rosario rookie for the Rockies. Cracked ice. Or not ice. This is
another prospect.
just regular ice in it.
Yes, it's not Panini.
Panini has the cracked ice. This is the straight ice. Uncracked.
Derek Jeter and Albert Almora.
Yeah,
Vegas Puck is watching.
Got a blue for the Bluejays, Sean Velariotti, something like that. Velariotti, number 250, 1,195th overall.
Jake Pintar refractor for the Orioles.
Pintar?
Pintar.
Maybe it's pronounced Pintar. That'd be cool.
I got my little first ice card of Brendan Brandon for the White Sox.
A nice orange rookie card of Bryce Harper for the Nationals.
Oh. Willie Peralta
Ooh,
for the Brewers. Rookie refractor. Oh, this was at 300. These are
another Harper. Then you get the whole thing in here.
Another Sharper?
What?
That one's at 300. Why?
Rookies,
It's a
maybe?
rookie?
Maybe the rookies are numbered. We'll find out as we go, I'm sure.
Got an orange paper.
Prospect Challenge.
Orange paper of Matt Wessinger for the Rockies.
Ooh, I got a die cut.
Matt Wessinger.
Got a Jacob Stallings. Jacob Stallings for the Pirates refractor. Nope. He's right here. Here's my auto. For the St. Louis Cardinals, pretty nice. James Ramsey, refractor auto. James Ramsey for the Cardinals. St. Louis Cardinals, James Ramsey. Not bad. That's good.
That's fun. I've never seen a red White Sox uniform.
Interesting. Blue Will Middlebrooks rookie. I got a couple nice color rookies. Harper and Middlebrooks.
This is Paul Sewald for the Mets. Refractor.
Got a Casey McCarthy refractor for the Marlins. He's a Marlin. And for the New York Yankees, pretty nice one here. Austin Aune, numbered, or I don't know how you say his last name. Aune. 71 out of 99, Bowman's best die cut. Numbered out of 99. For the Yankees, baby nut. So good one, Bowman's best die cut. I think my box winning right now. I better pull a good auto, color auto. What you got? Zunino maybe.
Maybe Ty Hensley for the New York Yankees.
Ty Hensley, huh?
Ty Hensley for the New York Yankees. First Bowman Chrome Auto. Blue paper of Benjamin Klein for the Rays. Benjamin Klein. Ooh, you Darvish rookie. Brian Har for the Twins.
Hardy Har Har. These episodes.
Insert McCutcheon and Springer. Thomas Coyle refractor for the Rays.
We need some more color in our lives.
This way, another insert. And Craig Manuel. Craig Manuel refractor.
Nationals.
And Nationales.
Nationals got multiple, like probably at least four refractors in the first two boxes on my count. By my counts.
Ooh, that's going to be so much fun.
How much do you think this you think you're actually in the gun?
Not enough.
Damn.
Maybe they put people on the cover of the boxes that you're not going to get.
I think they vote on it. They let the fans vote or something. Maybe it's who could be on this or who could be on Bowman's phone or regular Bowman. No, they do that. Didn't Topps let everybody vote on who's going to be on the cover of the box or something? One of the Bowman products? Draft or, I don't know which one it is.
Yeah, we'll evenly distribute those inserts. I don't think it's of much value, right?
Yeah, they're not really crazy value. If it's different teams, then probably just throw the insert to whoever sucked worse in the break. Mixed plate. Astros, Houston Astros.
Oh, he's got the Astros. We have 4.5 left.
Possible.
Oh, that did 50 cases and not pull one. Oh, he only pulled one super refractor. He weeded out all the bad cases.
They did pull one?
One super refractor in 50 cases.
Or was it just a regular one, no auto? Huh?
I think so, yeah. That Orioles guy.
Anybody good? I mean,
The Orioles guy. Hiroshima?
worth $2 grand.
Probably not.
Ooh, I'm gonna start with a little blue for you. For the Houston Astros, Joe Bircher. Bircher. That's the mixed play here. Waiting is Astros. Bircher. Got it. Got a refractor, John Cucino. Cucino. John Cucino. Hisashi Iwakuma, that guy?
Oh, yeah, that's the guy. Yeah, I thought it was the Orioles guy. I got that gold refractor. Orioles guy. So we can't pull that one.
See, is this one number 300? Oh, it's not a rookie. What am I doing? Joshua Turley. Joshua Turley for the Detroit Tigers.
Someone said it was storming bad in his side of town. Did you see that comment he posted, Avos?
Bryce Harper. Bryce Harper's everywhere.
See that comment he posted, Avos?
For the Nationals, Austin Chubb. Nice.
Tell your buddy that's not nice. We didn't do anything. We're sitting right here, so tell your buddy it's not nice. We're just sitting here trying to control the show or do whatever.
Austin Chubb.
If he's nice enough to delete it, I'd appreciate it. I'd hate to delete it and ban him. Ooh, look at this. We got one.
What is it? Oh,
Gavin Cecchini.
Ooh, he's a good one. I don't know what team he's
He's got all kinds of braces on. Gavin Cecchini, Aflac auto, or Under Armour.
Under Armour. Nice.
No more Aflac. Numbered out of 235.
Gavin
Cecchini. Isn't he on the, he's on this list right here, right?
Probably.
New York Mets.
Oh, wow.
The New York Mets. Very nice.
Look at them.
He's at the Mets. Card collector 12.
He knew, that's why he's saying thank you. He's ahead of us. Sick. There you go. Under Armour. Brian Dozier, orange border rookie.
Peter O'Brien for the Yankees. Mike Zunino chrome.
Unlock your prospects.
And we've got for the Toronto Blue Jays. This team was bought, right? Toronto Blue Jays.
Yeah.
Mitch Ney refractor auto, not number. Mitch Ney. Winning.
David Cruz for the Marlins, refractor. David Cruz.
Blue paper of Jake Pintar. Building rainbows with Jake Pintar here.
Got another blue coming right here. Maybe it's blue auto? No, it doesn't look like it.
It's not.
I got an ice card. Tanner Sheppers, rookie. Tanner Sheppers, rookie ice. And a blue refractor of Lucas Sims. That's a good one. Number to 250. Lucas Sims. Atlanta Braves.
Nicholas Grimm for the Orioles refractor.
Jeremy Lucas for the Indians refractor. This guy's face.
Oh, yeah, just got it too. Oh, no, this is another.
Real nice. For the Chicago Cubs, Albert Almora. One of the guys hit the orange refractor at the shop this weekend. Very nice. Cubbies.
Charles
Almora.
Gillies suit refractor for the Tigers.
Christian Frederick. Rockies, blue paper rookie.
Why do you put cards upside down?
Jake Lamb, orange for the D-backs. And a Patrick Clausen refractor for the Marlins. That's too.
Oh, this is the one you're talking about, the Kane and Trout. That's the insert. Kane and Trout. Sean Valeriote. Valer something.
Yeah, I got him too. Blue one.
Blue Jays. You can pronounce his name.
I also struggled with his name. No, I have no idea.
Jason Stoltz. Jason Stoltz for the Rockies. Refractor. Yeah, another refractor.
Oh, that's just about to face
Fednelis Sanchez for the Braves refractor. Fednelis. That's small. That's my challenge. Oh, we got a jersey card of Billy Hamilton.
Oh, nice.
For the Cincinnati Reds. Billy Hamilton for the Cincinnati Reds. The Reds. It's covered by the pin, huh?
And that box had all extra stuff, man. And the extra auto, a little jersey.
Box is on fire. Jason Wilson for the Rays. Refractor. More refractors, dude. Yeah, all kinds of refractors in here. Christian Friedrich. This one's out of 300. Yeah, the rookies are out of 300. Rookie refractor out of 300. Christian Friedrich. We got blue paper of Barrett Barnes. The Pirates out of 500. Another prospect, and that's my box two. I win?
Yes.
Yes.
I had a pretty damn good chrome autograph, though. I'll put on more. But you got an extra iron and a jersey.
And jersey.
Yes, better box. I don't know if you were going, if we're doing box score by the best hit, I probably would have won to beat your box. But you had the better box overall.
Yes.
Very, very good. I would have liked to have opened your box for myself.
Yes. Me too. And I collect none of this stuff. The frontwards.
I have a refractor. Ben Waldrop. Ben Waldrop for the Colorado Rockies.
Oh, que la chingada. Otra persona con su pinche BGS. Preguntas.
Wow, this is only the first time you've ever been around for BGS, and look at how frustrated you are answering that question. This is the fifth time for me. That's the fifth time that I've had submissions come back. I have to answer the when is it coming back question. As soon as we know, I promise you guys will know. As soon as we know, we'll get it. And the next should be shipping this week. Tyler Gonzalez for the Bluejays.
I was kidding. Dan.
I have them. Edward Sappelt, the Marlins.
Yeah, I didn't say
Patrick
Merchant. I said chingada. Brad's buddy.
Explosion right there.
Lucky.
Oh, we got a blue auto.
Oh, blue auto.
Blue auto. Good luck. Nolan Fontana, Houston Astros. Mixed plate.
Mixed plate, there you go.
Mixed plate 808 for the Houston Astros.
So, leave that card here, we're sending it in.
Number to 150.
Yeah. One of those cards from Triple Threads was worse than one of these cards. One of these Bowman was worse than one of these Bowman cards.
Triple Threads card?
Yeah.
Brandon Brennan. Got the White Sox blue.
Alright, my box.
Whoa, they're struggling at the top of the stack.
Alright.
Not bad.
What do we have here?
Taylor Ard. Refractor. His middle name is Rhett. R-H-E-T-T.
Wild thing? You guys saying wild thing right there?
Looks like him. I've got Brandon Brennan, orange, in the same box. I got Bill and the Rainbow in the same box. Blue and orange. Right
Yeah, Mora. Yeah. Kevin McKay, refractor.
Got a Chad Carmen, refractor, for the Phillies. There's Gavin Ticini right there in his Mets uniform. Prospect challenge.
Quinton Berry for the Tigers at 500. Quinton Berry. Later, boss. Ask your boy if you can delete that, please. I don't want to block him.
Ask him if he will delete. No, tell him to delete it, or we will block him.
Oh, yeah. Well, I'm saying I don't want to block him, so please delete it. Robert Ravago for the Marlins. Tractor. Yeah, please delete it. I don't want to. Oops, one sec.
I got an orange.
I got orange too. Mine's a paper though. Justin Jackson.
Mine's a refractor.
For the Marlins at a 250.
Mine's an orange.
Bryce Harper refractor at a 300 for the Nationals.
Pirates colors.
300 for the Nationals.
This is John Kutchno.
State of hockey there.
Kutchno, 16 out of 25 for the Pittsburgh Pirates. Orange refractor. Kutchno.
I got blue all the way down there.
Look at the Pirates, 15 Lombardi. Yeah.
Abe Ruiz refractor for the Chicago White Sox. Is he closing his eyes?
Jacob Stallings, blue border. Pirates.
Can't get another small take this.
John Silviano for the Bluejays.
Dominic Leone for the Mariners. Dominic Leone refractor. Blue might be autographed.
Oh, let's hope.
Blue might be autographed. Nope! Jinxed it. Oh, no.
Because you already have. Oh, that's your first out right here.
Yeah. Kyle Zimmer for the Kansas City Royals. Got a little scratch right there.
Jesus.
Right there. Right next to the light. You see the little scratch right there.
Alright, got scratch. How about you let me see the card now?
Oh, sorry. I did not show the whole card, huh? Kyle Zimmer. Oh, asshole. Oops. He lost the rosters. Thought we were supposed to be able to pick up rosters people this week. Matt Smorrell.
Spit microfiber.
I thought we were supposed to be able to pick up people this week, even though it was playoffs.
Damn, got locked out, huh?
Yeah, that means they can't pick up anybody tonight. Hunter Bailey for the Nationals refractor. Hunter Bailey.
Orioles will go to the Angels. It's pulled from Leaf. The Angels.
The Nationals are going to walk out of here with like a full set of refractors. Mike Madrone for the Nationals for his Bowman Chrome refractor. Of course, knock out the guy that's in first place that's kicking everybody's ass. So.
Could lock your roster from when?
Starting today, you can't pick up any more people in the playoffs. Once you make it to the playoffs, like nobody can pick up anybody.
Oh. So it's not like you missed an opportunity, right?
No.
Just
Hunter Bailey ice.
stuck with what you got.
Yeah, pretty much. For the Nationals. And Braylon Jackson for the Tampa Bay Rays at a 250.
Probably Braylon.
How's my question? You in the room, so? I think we're only allowed to drop and pick up defensive players. I'm first.
Defensive players?
Yeah.
Don't you have a full? Don't you just have a defense?
No, we got IDP individual defensive players. So like I've got Clay Matthewson on my bench when he's hurt. I gotta drop him. They're supposed to be able to pick up defensive players and kickers. I think nobody to complete your roster.
That's 0 color in my box. Jeez, I need the damn blue.
Alright, pause cards.
Prospect challenge.
Yeah. Hey, you know what? When $640 is on the line, every advantage you can.
Brian Johnson for the Boston Red Sox. $640, huh?
$640 for first place.
Pretty good.
I haven't won that. I haven't won it yet. 8th season and I haven't, or 9th season I haven't won it yet.
Damn. Yeah. What's the highest you ever finished?
Second, first year.
Adrian Marin for the Orioles.
White Sox have not hit yet, right?
No autos yet.
No autographs. I believe they got some refractors.
Drew Pomeranz, number 300, rookie refractor, Colorado Rockies. Jordan Pacheco, Colorado Rockies, blue paper, 500.
No color.
No color refractor. Christopher Beck, Chicago White Sox. This is the guy in the Leaf products. He's wearing shorts.
Oh, is he the one with the tattoo on the belly? Oh, I got a die cut. Yay. Let's hope it's autographed.
Is that die cut auto? I don't know. Good job.
Anybody know if the die cuts can be autographed?
Maybe they did. Wouldn't be surprised. Yasmani Grandal, rookie orange. Prospect Daniel Daughter challenge.
So box.
Taylor Hawkins refractor for the Rays.
The third box is kind of like a tie, huh? Or do you, no, you put the gold, huh?
Orange.
The orange.
Got an ice card. Lewis Brinson. Lewis Brinson for the Rangers. Ice card.
Beamer. Ask me something. I wanted to ask you something. I can't even remember what.
Jorge Fernandez, probably. Or George, I don't know. Twins refractor.
Blue. We got blue. Let's see. Orange paper of Eddie Butler for the Rockies.
There we go.
Forgot what I wanted to ask you, Beamer.
There's the White Sox hit. For the White Sox, Courtney Hawkins, refractor autograph. Courtney Hawkins, refractor auto. Chicago.
Austin On for the Yankees. Or Own.
Adam Giacolone for the Brewers, blue paper. And a Lex Rutledge, Orioles. Lex.
Matt Moore ice. This
Still say rookie? Are you kidding me?
Yeah,
How long does this guy have a rookie card for?
I think next year's going to be his last rookie year. And Brian De La Rosa. Parents is game after Ivan Rodriguez, Yadier Molina, native of Puerto Rico, attended Arlington Country Day School. I wanted to see if he was related to Ruby, but it doesn't say. Brian De La Rosa for the Atlanta Braves, blue. Out of 250, blue refractor out of 250.
face up this round. Better mojo.
Parker Morin for the Kansas City Royals. Refractor. Drew Hutchinson.
More in and out. More in, more on.
Oh, Morin? Morin.
Doomsday prepping.
Clayton Henning for the Tampa Bay Rays.
Coming up on 12/21 pretty soon. The world's gonna end.
Yes, the Mayans predicted it.
That's a misinterpretation on the Mayan calendar.
Are you how does that say? Oh, I guess I can. I don't know. But David Dahl for the Colorado Rockies. David Dahl for the Colorado Rockies.
Yeah, I guess it's a D's of some kind.
Yeah. Well,
Scooter Gennett signing for him.
could be. They're stamped. That's what I wanted to ask. They're stamped. How did the hell did they? Oh man, I didn't want to ask that, but I read the article yesterday. I was like, what? Drew Hutchinson, rookie refractor out of 300. Dante Helly Smith.
Right.
The certain cards were stamped. They weren't autographed. So you got to stamp the.
No way.
Yeah, dude.
He had a stamp made
Yeah.
just because he was lazy? Are you serious?
Blue paper, Yoani Gonzalez. Out of 250 or 500, I mean. Yeah, I can't believe it.
Okay, so it's 520. It's kind of again. Oh, golds. Oh, red, purple. Victor Roach for the Brewers, refractor.
36 of 99, Jose Fernandez. Jose Fernandez.
Marlins. Good
Is that a
10
good one to get? Still
Yeah.
or no?
Let him know what team he's on, though.
Yeah, Marlins. It said Marlins. It says Miami, Orioles.
Thomas Coyle for the Tampa Bay Rays, blue paper. And they got a printing plate, 1 of 1. Jordan John. Jordan John of the Detroit Tigers. Detroit Tigers, Jordan John, black plate, 1 of 1.
Matthew Price, refractor for the Orioles. Somebody kept asking for the Orioles early on.
Mitch Geyer, Phillies, refractor. Mike Dodig. Mike Dudig. Dudig? Braves, refractor.
Joe Kelly out of 500 for the Cardinals.
Kyle Zimmer. Pitching off the side of a mountain
Yeah, this autograph. Right there.
for the Royals.
David Dahl refractor for the Rockies.
Fucking picture on the mountain.
Michael Vaughn for the Marlins refractor.
There he is. Corey Seager for the Dodgers, autograph.
Oh, in my face.
Just one Irving wants. Corey Seager, Los Angeles Dodgers.
In my face.
All mine have most of my autos have a similar mark. I think that's what you're saying. Your scratches. Look,
Yeah, I
right
had that
there.
little scratch right there on the side.
A lot. I've seen a couple of them, like in close to the same spot. Watch.
Oh, the blue refractor. Yeah,
Mora's got one down
Oh,
there.
no.
Refractor's got one right there. They'll have them like.
Little spot. Oh, this one. The Zimmer had it. That's the only one.
Braylon Jackson for the Rays, refractor.
See, I'm on cue tonight. I'm making them. Make them in the box.
Getting better. Practice makes perfect. Richie Schaefer, Tampa Bay Rays, refractor.
Nice kid.
Ooh, another jersey.
Oh, nice.
It's another jersey. Rob Brantley for the Detroit Tigers. The Detroit Tigers don't have any autos, but they got a printing plate and a jersey out of the draft.
Nice. And the Tigers. History buff. You said, oh, I got no chance like this. I'm gonna go take a nap.
Ty Boutrey, Boston Red Sox, ice.
Oh, and Sharks now too.
Keon Barnum, refractor, White Sox. Paul Sewald.
I'd like to see one day how they hack out this stuff.
Machines.
No,
Stuff's packed on machines.
yeah, I mean, but just how the machine like separates the autographs and the print plates and the one-on-ones, and you know, just how it does it. You know?
I think they manually probably had there's like slots where they insert them like they try to put an autograph every so often. Or there's probably like different. There's probably a machine that has all the autos, and it doesn't insert one, one every once in a while for
like that.
I don't know, who knows? Possibly.
18 packs, is it 18 packs, right?
24.
24, one every 24 packs.
Who
Is he
knows?
gone?
Yeah, I think I lapped you.
Yeah, he did. Yeah, I like to take my time. That's exactly the biggest fuck was saying yesterday. Like, could everyone go any slower? I was like, hey, oh, what is this? Oh, sick!
You get one?
Yeah.
Sick.
This damn corner's damaged.
Oh.
It's at the bottom left.
Wow. Damn, it's got a fucked up corner. Nice card.
24 of 25, because I opened it through the middle.
DavidDiuk has the D-backs.
DavidDiuk has the D-backs. Alfredo Marte, Game Warden Relic, All-Star Futures game.
You see the ding right there already.
Yeah. Right there. There you go.
That's a nice card.
Yeah. I know I didn't do it because I felt this. When I opened it, I felt it. I was like, what the fuck?
Yeah, there's no other cards in the pack then.
No, this is that.
Nice.
What the fuck? That's going to be my name next time in the randomizer. I don't know, I didn't damage the card, man. Tell you, it couldn't have been me. It's in the front. I would have damaged the whole corner if that was me, right? Like the whole thing would have been damaged. I was scared. Jesus Montero out of 500.
Got some stuff. We got one orange so far, plate and a patch.
Hey, is this the same guy? Mike Morin? No, this is not the same guy. There's another guy.
Another Moran, yeah.
Parker Morin. Park City, Utah has two younger brothers, Colin and Blake. Not related. Mike Morin for the Angels, though. We need some Dominion. Maybe Monday.
Nah.
So, you want to do Dominion? Patrick Wisdom. Darvish Chrome. second. Use it. Jacob Thompson refractor for the Tigers. There's a Lippincott.
Wow. Gold.
Got gold finally, saw some gold. Oh my gosh. Gonna have my gold there towards the bottom. Right.
Sit down there.
Eddie Butler for the Rockies.
Marinate.
For the Cleveland Indians, Tyler Naquin, refractor autograph. Cleveland Indians, Tyler Naquin, refractor autograph. You don't forget your previous box already, huh? Did I win?
Training plate, jersey,
Oh, look at that.
and Corey Seager. Nice. Awesome. Nice.
Well, I pulled the refractor out, and then look at that. There's two blues right next to each other.
Come on, get going good. Doing good blue though. Good blue. Brett Wiley, Cardinals. Brett Wiley, refractor.
Our first blue. I think I pulled this guy already, huh?
Jesmuel Valentine, refractor. Dodgers. Irving's lagging.
Fernelis Sanchez out of 250.
Hey, you pulled his regular one earlier. His regular refractor.
Look at that cut, though.
Yeah, it's pretty off-centered. What's up, Kevin? What's up?
Jeremy Lucas for the Cleveland Indians. Nice. And for the Baltimore Orioles. Whoa, caught that. Nicholas Grimm out of 250, blue.
For the Angels, Mark Sappington. Refractor, Sappington.
Connor Leon for the Braves.
Dallas Keuchel. Houston Astros rookie. Addison Reed, White Sox, orange paper.
Jeffrey Poppick, refractor for the Rockies.
Poppick.
Stack.
Max White, Rockies refractor. Jordan John, that's the guy we got the printing plate of. Detroit Tigers.
Paul Blackburn out of 250. Connor's Taiwanese.
Christopher Beck, blue paper, Chicago White Sox.
Nice. One last box.
Ooh, we got a redemption.
Enjoy it.
Ooh, redemption. Bone and Chrome autograph prospect refractor. Richie Schaefer. Richie Schaefer. I pulled a Schaefer already in a refractor or something. Richie Schaefer. I have him on the list.
Tampa Bay Rays.
There you go. Tampa Bay.
Tampa Bay Rays.
So that's the list of redemption. Yeah. Gavin Cecchini refractor for the Mets.
Looks like a lady.
Alright.
one time get a poster.
Got a Drew Smiley ice card, Tigers. Followed by a Quentin Berry blue refractor rookie card for the Tigers. Quentin Berry. And then we got a gold, and that will be finished. A gold! Unless Irving gets one too, this will be like the only gold card in the whole stinking break. Hunter Bailey. Washington Nationals, 864th overall pick.
Told you they were gonna get all kinds of emblems.
Hunter Bailey gold refractor.
864 pick.
Damn.
What round is that?
Our orange guy was the 342nd pick. That is the 28th round. Other guy.
Alright, come on, super factor.
Let's go Superfractor. Last box Superfractor. You can do it.
Auto or no auto, don't matter. Fine as a super factor.
Let's go 1 for 1. One case, one super.
Yep. Let's open 40. 50.
I just feel bad for the guy that bought the Superfractor spot.
I got one.
Just shows you how tough they are. 50 cases. Maybe somebody else went like 3 for 3.
No super yet in my first half.
Butterfingers.
Oh, that is a little slippery too. Oh, Max Fried for the San Diego Padres.
Nice one.
That's it. What's some boxes there? William Carmona for the Phillies, blue paper.
It's all dead.
Reverse
It's all dead, man. Don't even bother.
No?
Just put the rest of the cards. Don't even look at the rest of the cards.
Alright, we're done. Next box. Marcus Stroman for the Bluejays.
That's that. Yeah. Right. As well.
Kyle Zimmer, ice. No red ice. Caleb Freyer for the Yankees, refractor.
So with those guys
Red ice. I think it's red
Yay,
ice.
all right. Let's do it.
Jimmy Ryder for the Pirates.
Red ice at 25, like orange.
Yep. Red ice. Red ice is for the Houston Astros. So it just looks like you cut a fart too. Joe Bircher, blue ice. I mean red ice. Joe Bircher. Houston Astros. Paul Blackburn, Chicago Cubs.
Let's take care of it. Camera's blurry. Oh no.
Andre Martinez.
It's clear on the cards though, that's all that matters.
Yeah, they center it on the red ice.
Seen some pretty bad centering cards on this stuff.
Yes, there is S-Bliss. You gotta figure it out. Blue. Blue. Shane Watson refractor for the Phillies. Adrian Marin. At a 250 for the Orioles. Adrian Marin for the Orioles.
All done?
Nope. Got that nice little stack right there.
Okay.
No supers. I'm sorry.
Wow, I can't believe they didn't pull a super.
I'm sorry, guys. No super. I'm disappointed. Mitch Haniger for the Brewers. And I am done. Muchas gracias for watching. 12 boxes of Bowman draft picks and prospects.
Still blurry, huh? Blur me! Up close is good, though.
Up close is
Oh well, I'll fix itself later.
okie dokie.
I can do the rest.
Be right back with